All right, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look here at problem number 4. We want to solve this radical equation. And as often as I say it, and as much as I try to get students to remember to do it, some students are going to get this problem wrong because they're going to immediately square both sides of this equation. The first thing that you have to do is isolate that radical. I need to add 2 to both sides of this equation before I square it. So 8 plus 2 is 10. And on the right-hand side, when I add 2, the 2 and negative 2 cancel each other out. So now this radical is by itself. And now to get rid of this radical, I'll square it. And to balance the equation, I'll square the other side. So 10 squared is 100, because 10 times 10 is 100. It's easy to square a radical, but this radical goes away. Or I should say it's easy to get rid of a square root by squaring it. If it was a cube root, I would cube it to get rid of it. If it was a fourth root, I would raise it to the fourth power. All right, so now I have a two-step equation. To solve for x, I want to add 5 to each side, and then I want to divide each side by negative 21. Now, I do not know what 105 divided by negative 21 is. Maybe I do. Let's check on the calculator. Maybe it's 5. 105 divided by negative 21. Negative 5, yeah, negative 5. All right. This is not my final answer yet. It's just the only candidate that I have. I need to check it. So on the left-hand side of this equation, we have 8. And the big question is, when we do this arithmetic on the right-hand side, will it simplify it to 8? So underneath my radical, I have negative 5 minus 21 times x. I believe x to be negative 5. And then we've got minus 2. Now that minus 2 is not underneath the radical. All right, so the negative times the negative is positive. And I get 105 minus 5 is 100. And the square root of 100 is 10. And 10 minus 2 is 8, and that's what it claimed it would be. So this does satisfy the equation, and it's the only one that we found. It's the only one that's in our solution set. All right, well, I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.